Today, we're going to make a TIE fighter using 10 Lego pieces. These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs. To build the cockpit of our TIE fighter, we're just going to get a light bluish gray Travis brick, and that open end is going to be our engines in the back of our TIE fighter. So in the front here, on this front stub, we're just going to get a 1x1 round translucent plate and put it right there on front. And now to create the hexagonal wings that make the TIE fighter so unique, we're going to get two of these 2x4 wedge plates, and the exact name and design ID is in the description, so you can find these pieces and build your own TIE fighter. But we're going to put them together like this to create the shape of the wing, and on the back we're going to put a boat stud, and that's going to secure these wings and make sure that they don't fall apart. So once you have that boat stud into those wings, we're going to turn it back over to the front, and then right here we're going to put a 1x2 plate with handle up, and that's going to go across that seam to add just more support as well to make this even more sturdy. And that handle is going to be in the center of our wing, and of course we're going to do that 2 times to create both wings. They're the exact same build. Now we get our cockpit, and on the side here, that side hole, we're going to put it so that that 1x2 plate is in the back of our TIE fighter, and then the handle just goes into the hole of the Travis brick like that. And we do the same thing on the side. There's my 1x2 plate. Make sure it's in the back, and I'm going to put it into the hole like this. And now these wings do move, so you're going to have to adjust them for when you put it down. But there is our TIE fighter ready to defend the Empire. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.